Again, welcome my students, dear students. We will again continue that how image will be created by convex lens. So already we discussed the two cases. Now we will discuss third case, fourth case, fifth case and seventh, sixth case. So what is third case? Suppose object is at 2f1. Suppose object is at 2f1. Suppose object is here, that means at 2f1. Suppose we will name this object, that is A and B. This is head and this is tail, suppose. So first ray, which is parallel to the principal axis, and after striking this lens, it will passes through this second focus or principal focus. Then another ray, that is which is passes through this optical center. That means in this case, this ray will be passes through like this. It is not deviated. Without deviation, it can passes. So at this position, it will be what is at this position. What is here exactly? It is not given at this position because our ray became false at 2. So this is this. And this is become like this, and this position it will intersect. So see here, after intersecting we have to join this one. Then this is become which one? This is B dash and this is A dash. So see here, what is the nature of image? Nature of image is what is? Nature of image is first one. It is image is created at what? At 2f2. Clear? Image is created at 2f2. And second point is what is? Nature. That means this image, because this reflected ray actually intersect to each other, therefore it is real and it is also inverted. Third point is it is also inverted. And it is at f2f2 real and inverted. And third one is what is the size of the image. Size of the image, we will measure this one, it will be same to each other. That means size of the image become same size as object. That means image is same size to this object. So this is for third case. Then fourth case, when image object is between 2f1 and f2, between this one. Suppose this is A and B dash. This is the object. First ray which is parallel to the principal axis. After striking, it will passes through this principal focus. Second ray which is like this, without deviation, it is passed through like this, without deviation. This is f2 and this is like this. Then what will be happen? See here, at this position, this reflected ray will be intersect to each other. Therefore, at this position, image will be created. And see here, this is B dash and this is A dash. So what is the nature of image? Nature of image is what is? It is first point is beyond to f2. Image is created beyond to f2. Second point is because this reflected ray are actually intersect to each other. Therefore, this image is real image. And third one is if it is real, then it is inverted. And size of the image. See here, what is the size of the image? Size of the image is magnified or enlarged. Size of the image is enlarged. Enlarged image. So this is for case 4 and for case 5. See here, image is at f1. That means in this case, image is at this position. This is A and this is B. So first ray which is parallel to the principal axis, after striking this lens, it will passes through this focus. Second one is what is? This is the what is? This is passes through the optical center without deviation. It can go like this. That means these two rays are parallel to each other, but according to mathematics, this parallel ray can intersect each other at infinite distance. That means in this case, suppose infinite distance is this one, then image is created at this one, that is B, and this is A dash. So what is the nature of image? First one is image is created at infinite distance, and second one is what is it? Because these reflected rays are actually intersect to each other, therefore this image is real image. And third case is it is inverted, and size of the image is highly magnified. This is size of the image is highly magnified. Clear this one? Then last case. This is the last case. The last case is what is? Last case is when the object is between F1 and optical center O. So what will happen? See here. So this is the principal optical center. This is F2. This is 2F2, and this is F1, and this is 2F1. Clear this one? That means object is now between F1 and O. Here is object. So this is A and this is B. So first ray, which is parallel to principal axis, after striking, it will passes through this focus, and second, by this optical center, it will passes like this. That means this is a diverging lens ray. This is diverging rays. So these diverging rays are never intersect or never meet to each other. So in this case, what is the nature of image? First one is what is image? It is never created, but when backwardly when we draw the backward, then this will be intersect to each other at this backside, and here image will created, and this is become A dash and B dash. But this side never meet to each other, therefore image will never created. But when backwardly we draw the line backward line, then the image will created backside of this lens. So what is the nature of image? The image is created the same side as object. Image is created the same size as object. And second case, what is? Because these rays are not actually intersect to each other, they appears to meet each other. So in this case, this is a virtual image. And third one is what is? Because the image is at the same time, virtual means it is a erect image. It is a erect image, and size of the object is, what is size of the object is? Because see, this is the size of the object, this is the size of the image, therefore size of the image is magnified or enlarged image. So this is the case of convex lens. Next we will discuss about the concave lens. Thank you.